I'm going to show you how you can generate tens of thousands of leads using AI inbound marketing. This is what we do in our company to book in highly qualified leads that want to buy from us. And also, it's changed my life in the way that lead generation is not so stressful anymore. I don't do any cold emails. I barely do cold DMs. I don't run any ads, and I barely ask for referrals. All of our leads come in through here. And I know that 10,000 leads sounds like a lot. I'm going to show you why it's not and why it's very possible for you if you fit this certain criteria. You can literally attract money with this funnel. Now, you have to have two things, which I'm going to go over in a second. Two, we're going to talk about what a lead is and why they're running away from you, and instead, how you can get them to be attracted to you. With three, the AI funnel. Four, I'm going to show you my results and how you can get them. And five, some free resources to start as soon as possible, please. Even if you don't watch this video, whatever you're doing, whatever business you're running, start ASAP, make it happen. This year, I've changed my life using this funnel and scaling my business. All right, so make it happen today. I'm going to give you some free resources at the end of the video on how you can make that happen. Now, in the last 90 days, this funnel has brought in 11,000 people with 2,000 returning people. These are views, guys, on a platform like this, YouTube. And I'm going to show you why views equal leads. It's a very logical assumption, so stay with me here. Views literally equal leads for your company if you do it right, which we have been doing. Now, the two things I mentioned earlier that you must have these two things, guys, are one, you need a working offer that has results, and two, you need an ICP that you target. So you can't just say, I want to do SEO work. You have to do actual SEO work, and you've had to get actual results in the past. I'm just picking SEO as an example here. If you're running ads, have you gotten results? Good, that's part number one. Two, do you actually have a niche? So don't just say we do SEO work in general. Do you have an actual person that you target, a niche and ICP that you target? You have to have a working offer with results, and you have to have someone that you target. Those things are necessary. If you do not have those things, just DM me on Instagram. I will literally for free give you consulting on how to pick a niche and how to pick an ICP and how to get something that actually works, because this funnel will not work if you do not have these two things in place. I don't want to waste your time. So DM me or just leave this video and go figure out how to do these first two things before we keep on watching. All right, now leads are literally people that just attracted to your service. They're just interested in your service and what you have to offer. All right, now these are the four main things that make people interested. One is solution to pain. Two is you bring them closer to their dream situation. Three is social proof of others. And four is presented to them or timing. All right, a classic example would be a marketing agency. You're solving their pain of lead generation, and you're bringing them closer to financial freedom. Social proof from others. So if you go to someone's marketing funnel and they have a bunch of testimonials, you'll trust them more because they have social proof from others. Or if your friend have worked with someone, you're more likely to work with them because they have social proof from someone around you, your friend. Finally, ads would be like presented and timing. All right, I'm going to show you how all this stuff is solved with this AI inbound lead generation system, which is AI-powered content marketing through YouTube. If you want the whole breakdown of the stuff we do outside of YouTube, let me know. This has brought in over 500,000 impressions this year on my offer, which is insane. Comment AI inbound breakdown. I'll show you how this AI system works here, which repurposes content in a very efficient manner. It's not all AI. It's 80% AI, 20% your brain. But I want you to think about this. All right, so YouTube doing the heavy lifting. YouTube is a billion-dollar company that has an AI algorithm that recommends videos. The sole purpose of YouTube, and this is probably the most important thing of the video, most important part, the sole goal of YouTube is to take people's interests and match them with a video that fulfills their interests. If you like cars, YouTube's main objection is to figure out that you like cars and then put car videos in front of you. That is what YouTube is. That is what an algorithm is. That is what it is built to do. Because think about it. If you get recommended car videos and you like car videos, you're going to watch more watch time for them. They make more money on their end from ad revenue and partnerships and sponsorships and that type of stuff. So YouTube literally has an AI algorithm that is meant to match my videos to you. So you probably found this video because you want to get more leads for your business and you want to do it in an inbound manner. It's the goal of YouTube. That's what the whole AI-powered content marketing YouTube system is centered around. All right, so let YouTube do its job. It's literally meant to do that. Now, we're optimizing for book calls here. Fuck the views. All right, so as you can see with this video here, 215 views, cool. Doesn't really blow your socks off, but this booked in high quality calls for us. And if we close one of those calls, it's, $100 to $5,000 depending on the tier that they're entering in. That's a lot of money from one YouTube video. So fuck the views. Booking in calls is where it's at. Posting valuable insights that attract ICP. So this video here, 1,400 views, and I targeted realtors. I put it in the thumbnail, I put it in the background, and I put it in the title. All right, so I'm attracting an ICP here. All right, that's really important. Be very specific with who you're targeting. Finally, pre-selling leads so they throw money at you. This is what YouTube is really good at. If people consume your content, they're more likely to trust you and be bought into what you're selling, and they literally want to throw money at you. All right, this is a comment I got. Hi, do you have a tutorial or a program? I definitely like to buy. I don't know who this person is. I never sent him a cold DM, never sent him a cold email, I never cold called him or her, but they found me. I didn't even do anything. They found me and they want to give me money. That is how powerful this is if it's done right. It's very hard to do right. I'm going to show you how you could do it right in a second here. It's really an art, in my opinion. Now, this is where AI comes in as well. There's a lot of AI components to this, and this is stuff that we're rolling out right now, and that's worked really, really well. One is AI niche research and SEO maximizing. So I know a lot of content creators, guys. I met with 20 to 30 of them that have millions of total subscribers and followers. Niche research is huge. What is your competition doing? What is the algorithm pushing out? What is working right now? What's not working right now? What title is working right now? What thumbnail is working right now? What script is working right now? This is huge, and AI could actually go into your niche and do research for you. AI repurposing for maximum reach. This is sort of what we talked about here. The system that we have is 80% AI, 20% your human brain that keeps your brand's voice and your authority while also being very efficient. So you only work like 2 to 4 hours a week in total on your content, right? And you could bring in millions of impressions if you could do it right. So AI repurposing is huge. If you want a video on that, just let me know. Finally, AI analytics. So if you give it the data and you have a finely tuned GPT or AI model that is meant to give you insights on your content and conversions, it's really good to actually send your insights over to the AI, and it will give you insights on what to do next. All right, so that's really powerful as well. Now, again, as I was mentioning earlier, this is an art. If you really want the money, you have to be good at scripting, SEO, research, description, packaging, framing, all this stuff. You have to be really, really good at it, and you have to be consistent with it. You can't just make one video and then disappear. You have to do this over and over and over. I've been posting for a year. Now I'm really starting to reap the rewards. I was actually invited to Dubai because I posted for a whole year. I'll get to that at the end. It's a crazy, crazy story. But if you do this right, it's not unrealistic. It's very realistic, actually, for you to book in 5 to 15 qualified calls a monthly that are easier to close. These people are warm. They want to buy for you. They're pre-sold. They look up to you as the authority. This is huge, guys. I cannot tell you how many times I've been on calls and people are like, oh my gosh, it's awesome to meet you. I've been watching your videos. They're really helpful. And I feel like the authority because I am, right? And it makes this sell very easy. It makes it sell very, very easy. Finally, it contributes to the infinity funnel. This is something that's super important. We'll have a whole 30, maybe 20 to 40 minute training down below on the infinity funnel, exactly how it works and how it actually got me invited to Dubai, which a bunch of other content creators in the AI space. The infinity funnel, that'll be down below if you want to check out that training. I'll also have a YouTube video on it soon. So shoot me a subscription if you want to. Now, this is how you get started ASAP, guys. And again, you have to have working offer with results and you have to have an ICP. One, set up an optimized channel. Make sure it's optimized for your niche. You could do that in the settings. Make sure it's optimized. Two, take the assets that you already have built out and then make videos on them. That's the easiest way for you to start, guys. All the stuff I already have built out, all the trainings, the SOPs, the protocols in your company that you already have built out. I mean, because if you already have results, then you have to have stuff built out. Just make quality videos on that stuff that you already have built out. It's very leveraged. It's already sitting there. Just make a video on it and post it. All right. Fourth is package these videos effectively. This is huge because with this, you can post very valuable stuff. Like you can post extremely valuable insights from your business. But if there's no good thumbnail, there's no good SEO, and there's no good title, no one will see it. No one will watch it. No one will book a call from it. So you have to nail packaging effectively. That's the biggest thing. You could have $1 billion of game. You could have the best possible YouTube video and no one will click on it if the thumbnail and the title and the SEO are shit. All right, so make sure you package it up nicely and then close high ticket deals with ease. These people came to me, guys. This is 10K in deals here that came to me from YouTube. I didn't do any outreach for this, which is pretty crazy. Now, this is easier said than done. So here's some free resources to get you started. There's 4 of them. One is a free strategy session with myself, with Shaz. We'll sit down for 20 minutes. I'll show you exactly how you could leverage this AI inbound content marketing to your own advantage. I'll show you how to do it. You can do it with us. It's completely up to you. I just want you guys to know about this because it's the best lead acquisition model that's most leveraged right now, in my opinion. And by the way, you don't only have to do this. You could also run ads. You can also do Instagram outreach on the other side, but you have to have this in the background, guys, for the long term, in my opinion. 2 is the free resources group that we have on Instagram. If you DM me Insider on Instagram, I'll go ahead and see if you're qualified to add you to the group. We just talk there, and it's not a broadcast channel, so you could actually talk back. I'll send in voice notes there. We can FaceTime. Like, it's a very private and personal group, and everyone in there is qualified, and everyone in there is cool. So if you want to be a part of that, it's completely free. just DM me Insider on Instagram. 3 is the free training down below on the infinity funnel that's made me 5 figures. And that's also got me invited to Dubai. It's a crazy story. There's pictures and stuff there. You can see that all in the free training down below. I think it's a 20 to 40 minute training. You can watch exactly how the infinity funnel works and how you can use it for yourself. And then finally, if you have nothing, guys, if you have no offer, results, ICP, just DM me on Instagram, spark up a conversation. I'll try to help you break those barriers so you could then start implementing this funnel with myself and with my team. Guys, if you don't see the power in this, it's absolutely huge. No outbound, no ads. People find you. People want to give you money, and you could close deals like crazy through this funnel. I mean, think about it, and I'll leave you with this thought as I end up the video. Where else in the world in 90 days could you actually attract 11,000 people without doing any outbound or any ads? There's no other place, guys. There's nothing like YouTube right now. It's very easy to grow right now. So if you want any insights, there'll be so many free links down below. I highly recommend you get on that call with me. If not, I'll see you in my Instagram DMs. We can have a chat there. And if not, then take action and do something, guys. But there's some great resources to start down below. Regardless, I'll see you in the next video. Have yourself an amazing day and leverage this funnel to book in inbound calls through YouTube using AI. I'll see you.